Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to show you a trick how to today I want to show you how to solve this problem, which is Wi-Fi connected but no internet. As you can see here, they say connected without internet. My mobile is Galaxy S10 5G. So we are having this problem because the updated version of the Android, the IP address is a main cause. Today I want to show you how to solve this problem connected without internet on Samsung, but I think it might work for all other version of Android, all the brand. So the problem is for on the IP address. So I'll quick show you how to, because when it's like this, I can't even open YouTube. It's not working. You see, YouTube is not working. So what I'm going to do is that I'll go to my Wi-Fi settings. I'll go to the Wi-Fi. You can see here it's connected but without internet. What I'm going to do is you go to the Wi-Fi settings, you go to advanced, you change to statics, then here we are going to reset all these parameters. So from here you put 192.168.0.150, and then here you change 0.1. This way you leave it to 24, but the DNS1 you change it to 8.8.8.8, and the DNS2 you put it to 8.8.4.4, and then you save. You see, it has changed. Now it is connected. So guys, this is how you can solve it in 2022. You can see you can see here, today is Wednesday, February 23rd, 2022. So this is the latest update. So guys, for you guys out there having this problem, this is how you can fix it. Thank you for listening, and don't forget guys, if this helped you, please do subscribe and like. See you. I'll be looking for any other issue that we are commonly having, and then try to bring you the solution. I'm sorry for the accent. I'm actually a French guy, and I will do it also in French for those French and Spanish. Thank you very much.